Hello pretty faces, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today we are making this amazing and beautiful wire ring. Easy, cheap and super pretty. This is a special video because this ring was requested by Belen, who wisely used my wishing wheel, and you can use it too, by the way. Find the link in the video description. Hope you like it, Belen! To make this, you're gonna need 20 gauge wire, 6mm beads and 4mm beads. Get yourself some wire like 15 centimeters more than your finger measurement and insert the beads like this. Wrap it around any cylindrical object, for example I'm using a mascara bottle, and place the tails like this. One of them on the bead's right and the other on the bead's left. Holding the bead together to avoid unpleasant bead movements, bend both tails around the bigger bead. And now, keeping your fingers holding the beads, you have to wrap one of the tails at the end of the beads only once. Wrapping only once makes it easier to wrap the other side, keeping all the beads together. Now do the same on the other side. This time you have to wrap the other tail as many times as you want. For me, 3 times was enough. Go back to the other side and wrap the wire as many times as you wrapped in the other side. By the way, try to make this wrapping neat and beautiful. That's the key to make a professional ring. Cut the excessive wire and tighten the ends to avoid the scratches. And if your new ring loses the shape, just use a cylindrical object to correct it. And this is it! I know I always say the same, but I love it! Many thanks to Belen for the suggestion. And you, yes you, if you have seen something beautiful and want a tutorial, just go to the wishing wheel and leave a request. I'll be making your tutorial as soon as I can. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy!